To enable and use Bixby voice wake up while wearing Galaxy Buds Live on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, while you are wearing both earbuds, go to the app screen, find the Wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type the app name, and then tap the app to open it. If the app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon, and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap Earbud Setting, tap Bixby Voice Wake Up, and then tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When the Bixby Voice Wake Up option is on, you can call Bixby while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live by saying the voice wake up followed by the required command like this. Hi Bixby, what time is it in France? Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.